speaking of connecting to nature, there is another part of this sort of dining space and bar that you haven't seen yet that also connects to nature, and we are going to check that out. But first, let's see what TAC Renata from FHIA has for us today.
So today we're on a roof, but it's another great example about why the initial home consultation is so vital to making sure you're getting the right project for what you're trying to accomplish. There were a lot of concerns with the roof when we came out to meet with the homeowner, and we talked about several different options, a lot of different materials, and different ways that we could install a new roof for the family. And they chose the Integrity roofing system, and we're really glad they did. With the Integrity roofing system comes all the necessary decking that needs to be replaced is included, so there's no additional charges, and this roof has required a lot of extra decking. We've already installed over 30 sheets, and there's been no additional cost to the homeowner. Another thing that we learned while we were here during the consultation was they never wanted to do this roof again. So when we went over all the different options and all the different warranties that were available, they found one with the Integrity roofing system that doesn't have any loopholes and that they'll be fully covered. And the manufacturer provides a 50-year warranty with no gotchas. This is just such a great example for so many different reasons on why that consultation is so important, and also to make sure that the contractor you choose or the person that comes out to your home really comes up onto your roof and doesn't just look at a satellite image or a picture from the sky to determine what's necessary, because there's a lot of things about this roof that won't be caught from a picture from up above. Like, for example, this area right here, there's just a little bit of a transition here. Getting up here, you recognize what a vulnerable this area this could be and what's going to be required to ensure no water gets in here. And also get into the attic space as well so you can see things from underneath and address any areas that might be a concern. So make sure you do your homework when you're making this decision, and make sure above and beyond everything else that you know what all the charges are going to be. Really protect yourself and make sure you're getting exactly what your expectations are. Back to you, Elena.
Thanks, Tat.